Hello and welcome. My name is Nick Lannan, and here in just a couple seconds, I'm going to install some earring posts on the back of these two silver little discs. And on the discs on the face of them, they're hammered finish, and obviously they're going to be a pair of earrings. So I applied a little bit of flux to the end of my earring post. Now I'm going to grab 2 chips of sterling silver easy. So I've got them flowed to my earring post. I'm going to preheat the disc a little bit. Come in position. Have it. Must have been a little bit of oil on there or something, because that one was a little bit more difficult to flow. Thanks for watching.